breathing protection equipment that keeps the workers safe from harmful substances. Customer was absolutely delighted. I'm proud that I'm working for a company that allows its employees to spend that amount of time, to spend the resources, to find what the client actually needs. My customer is a pharmaceutical company. They are located in Western Germany. They manufacture harmful substances in medicine that could be, for example, cytostatics or other highly potent compounds. So our customer uses breathing protection equipment that keeps the workers safe from harmful substances. They then addressed the challenge that they had. Will this breathing protection equipment work? And will it also work in controlled environments like clean rooms? What is the amount of contamination it will introduce into those environments? They tried to reconcile those two protection goals, meaning protecting both the worker and the product. So we went through their application, the process of using the equipment, cleaning it, maintaining it. They had a lot of questions, we had a lot of questions. In the end, it was clear to us that our existing so-called Powered Air Purifying Respirator would work, but we would need to recertify the equipment in terms of certain laws and regulations. When we're talking about protection factors and filter performance, it wasn't that easy. North America uses other filter packages than Europe, for example, so we had to go through the certification again specifically for other continents, because we are aware that's a global business. So we did obtain the Cleanroom certification. Depending on which filter you use, it's a different grade, but we were able to tell our clients where they could use it and where they would rather refrain from it. So we wouldn't push product here necessarily. This is how we understand our role. We would advise the client if it was a good idea or if it wasn't a good idea to use that. The other certifications were also successful. So we had a statement in the end that said we have an assigned protection factor, APF, of 1000 with our PAPR system and related helmets and hoods. And that means they can use it against substances up to an occupational exposure band of 4, which is pretty high in that industry. Customer was absolutely delighted. I think they were a little bit surprised that we really went down that road till the last paper was obtained here. And they told us they now could really confidently use the system, and this really helped building the relationship. It's not a sales pitch, if you will. It's more like working together to find a good solution. Personally, I'm proud that I'm working for a company that allows its employees to spend that amount of time, to spend the resources, to find what the client actually needs and not what they might need. With that time and the resources that we had at hand, we could really evolve that relationship to a new level. And this is what we call safe partnership, safe business.